Have you ever spent hours making the perfect video in the world? Set up everything and upload it. Then, no views, no comments, nothing. Yeah. Welcome to the YouTube grind. Introduction. Growing a YouTube channel isn't just about posting a video and blow up overnight. It's not magic. It is a marathon. And today I'm going to tell you exactly why it feels so hard growing a YouTube channel and what you can do exactly about it. Number one, the competition. There are over 500 hours of videos uploaded to YouTube every minute. That means your videos is competing with millions of videos. And if you don't get attention in the first 5 seconds, viewers are gone. That's why to say don't introduce yourself in the beginning of your video. If you are not a celebrity, don't waste the first 3 seconds of your video. Yes. Not that you don't start video and start the introduction, start doing this thing. No, it's not necessary. You don't need it. Number 2, the algorithm. YouTube does not care much effort you put in a video. It only cares about how much people watch. If people click on your video but they don't stick around to a good length, YouTube simply will not push that video. That's what you do. Once you make a video and people just watch maybe 2 seconds, 3 seconds, YouTube will start recommending that video. If they are watching above maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, they are watching to a good length, YouTube will watch it. That is why title and thumbnail is very important for your watch hour. Title and thumbnail are what is important and is everything. Yes. Number 3, consistency. Consistency. Most people post once or twice, or maybe some people say 3 times and quit when they don't see results. But YouTube rewards consistency. Think of it like a gym now. You cannot get 6 packs by working out just twice. You cannot get muscle by working out just 2 times. You cannot get fit by working out twice. Meaning you cannot just go to the gym 2 times and you just start getting muscle or start getting 6 packs. Not possible. That's it. Yes. Number 4, audience trust. Before strangers become loyal fans or loyal subscribers, they need to trust you, and that takes time. That means that your first few videos, it might flop, but every video is a chance to build up that relationship. Yes, you cannot compare my first set of videos on YouTube to this set of videos currently. It's not possible, because what I have decided to upgrade myself time by time, little by little. Do you understand? So it takes time. So yeah, growing a YouTube channel is hard. I cannot lie, but it's not impossible. It's not impossible. Nail your own. Keep people watching from the beginning to the end. Post consistently and what? Learn from every video you make. Because on YouTube, you are not just chasing views. You are building a brand. That's what you don't know. You are building a brand. So not that YouTube is like every other channel that you just go up one day, you just go down next day. No, you are building a brand. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Yes, and I still mean Bulu Vibes. So see you in my next video. Hi, I'm Bulu Vibes. Bye bye.